Black-footed cat Felis nigripes is Africa's smallest felid, and among the smallest wild cat species in the world. Soft, dense coat ranges from dark to pale tawny gold, with a bold pattern of rounded dark brown to black spots which sometimes merge into bands or rings. Her large eyes are amber or grayish-brown. Chin, chest, belly and insides of the legs are whitish, and the backs of the ears are pale brown. There are 2 dark streaks across each cheek, and dark bars on the forelegs and haunches. Short tail, about half the body length, has 2 or 3 black rings, tapering to a black-tipped point. As special adaptations to their desert habitat, these cats have a broad skull with large, rounded ears, which provide enhanced hearing in an area with scarce prey. Low-set ears are often completely flattened in an aggressive posture, an adaptation to hunting in areas with little cover. They are protected from the hot sand by hair on the black soles of the feet. Countries of southern Africa, Botswana, Namibia, and South Africa. They are found primarily in short to medium-length grass plains, scrub desert, and sand plains, including the Kalahari and Karoo deserts. Areas of grass with high rodent and bird densities are optimal habitat. They seem to avoid brushy country and rocky terrain, perhaps because of the occurrence of other carnivores. Average annual rainfall in the area is 100 to 500 millimeters. Black-footed cat is rare compared to the other small cats of southern Africa. Knowledge of the behavior and ecology of this cat comes from a decades-long study on the Benfontein Nature Reserve and 2 large farms in central South Africa. Researchers from the Black-footed Cat Working Group continue to study the cats in these 3 areas. In the 60 square kilometer study area, they found the density of adult cats to be 0.17/sqkm, but in low-quality habitat densities were much lower. Males have larger home ranges at 20.7 square kilometers than females. 10 square kilometers male ranges overlap those of 1 to 4 females. An incredibly tenacious little cat, the natives have a legend claiming these tiny cats can bring down giraffe. While this is untrue, it pays homage to the fierce determination of these feisty little felines. During a study in South Africa, researchers found 1725 prey items were consumed, with the males taking larger prey species. Mammals were most often taken, 72%, followed by small birds, while invertebrates, amphibians and reptiles were rarely eaten. Small rodents like the large-eared mouse were particularly important during the reproductive season for females with kittens. Males showed less seasonal variation in their choice of prey, which may help to reduce competition between the sexes. Black-footed cats share their range with other carnivores, African wildcat, Cape foxes, bat-eared foxes, and black-backed jackals. Captured smaller prey on average than African wildcats Felis sylvestris libica, although both captured approximately the same number, 12 to 13, of prey species per night. Cats coexist with jackals, predators on the cats, by using burrows during the day. They share space with the Cape foxes but don't use the same habitats, activity times or hunt the same prey species. One small black-footed cat can consume 3,000 rodents each year. They have also been known to eat dead springbok lambs, although they don't actually kill them. Larger males can take adult Cape hare which weigh approximately the same as the cat. They have also been observed eating eggs, crushing them gently between the jaws, and then licking the countermeasures include more fine-scale distributional studies, particularly in Namibia and Botswana. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was entertaining and educative. Please don't forget support the channel with a like and subscribe.